Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're gonna do a pretty short lesson today. This one is about Lewis dot diagrams. I'm gonna be loading a couple of videos, well, an additional video that'll go along with this, just going over some more examples. But this one's gonna be pretty short. So remember last time we were drawing Bohr diagrams, and we were drawing like the rings with all of the individual electrons on those rings. So when you get to elements like chlorine and potassium that have bigger atomic numbers with more rings and more electrons, they can be pretty tedious to draw, you could say. So Lewis dot diagrams, they actually come in handy because for these ones, you only have to draw the valence electrons, and we're going to be using these when we start talking about bonding. Because they're just so much easier and quicker to draw than the Bohr diagrams. But let's take a look first. There we go. All right. So, Lewis diagrams. They're a simple way of showing how many valence element has. So we don't have to draw all of the electrons. We only have to draw the ones that are on the outside. Now, if you look at this picture here, you can see how the electrons are all grouped in twos, except for this one, because chlorine only has 7 valence electrons. But that's pretty much how we're going to be drawing them. Let's just take a look at an example here. So this is how we draw them. First, we have to figure out how many valence electrons that your element has. So, for example, carbon has 4 valence electrons because it's in column 14. If you watch my video about the simplified Bohr diagrams, you'll see why, but I'm going to show it again in my next video. Then all we do is we write the element in the middle, the symbol, and then we just put the electrons around it. So notice how these ones are all just single. What you do is you draw them single in each spot, and then if you have more, then you start adding a second one around them. But that's pretty much all it is. Like I said, I'm going to post another video with some more examples, but I'm going to stop this one here, keep it short. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.